Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will start the series of ReactJS, and from there we will start learning Node.js and MongoDB also. So complete one stack basics we will learn from today. So today in this video we will see the React basics and start the journey of ReactJS. So please like and subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So why ReactJS and why to use it in today's world? So as you can see, ReactJS is a library of JavaScript only. So in this, basically you will write JavaScript only, but in the form of JSX, that is JavaScript XML. So in JavaScript you will write HTML, and based on that you will create different components, and it will be very easy to make the web application and to manage in future if you are making a big scale application, if your application is scaling. So in future, so you can use React.js and it will be more easy to use instead of HTML, simple HTML and all this stuff. So ReactJS is basically JavaScript only, a library of JavaScript. If you know JavaScript properly, then only start ReactJS. Else don't start. Else is the basics of JavaScript, event loop, all the stuff. Then only start the journey of ReactJS. So ReactJS is a library for web and native user interfaces. You can also create web apps and also apps, also native apps. So as you can see in the official website of React.dev, we can see we can create user interfaces from components. React lets you build user interfaces for individual pieces called components. Basically, you can see, for example, you can see there is a new bar here. Learn references is a component, and you can see this part is also a component. This part is also a component. In this part, this both are different components, and you can use it in different places wherever we need it. Instead of writing again the same code again and again, we are using the components in React.js. So whether you work on 1000 developers using React, feel the same. It is designed to simplicity combine component written in independent people. You can see all the stuff of React.js is written here. We'll see the installation of the React.js also in the further videos of this series. So next video we are seeing the basics of React.js. You will write JSX in this. You can see markup syntax called JSX. It is JavaScript syntax extension popularized by React. Putting JSX markup close to read. Entering logic makes component easy to create and maintain delete. Again, React works on a concept of virtual DOM, in which it doesn't directly update the real DOM. It updates the virtual DOM and makes a copy of it, and this allows the React to not refresh again and again when the page changes. You can see we can use reactivity whenever needed. All the stuff is written. We can also use React.js as a front end if you're making a big scale web application. In the backend you can use Python, or you can use Node.js, and MongoDB also you can use database. All the stuff is very compatible with React.js. And in future also we will start the series of Next.js also, which is now booming also. So first we will complete the basics of React.js. After that we will start the Next.js series, and after that Node.js, MongoDB, all the stuff will come in future. I know after a long time the videos come, but now the video will come continuously, and we'll start the web development journey. So this for the basic of the React.js, and in the next video we will see the installation of React.js. So like and subscribe my channel, and do follow the series and be a part of this web development journey of learning the web development and scaling and making. I will also make good projects in this, from basic to advanced level projects that you can add also to your resume and get a job. So that's all in this video. Thank you guys. Thank you.